Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn
English. Circle the given letter in practice paper. Number work, say and write numbers from 11 to 20 in Math A. EVS. Color the fruits and vegetables in practice paper. Color the given vegetable in spiral book. Rhyme 1 2 buckle my shoe.
Hello children, in today's session we'll be doing this section, circle the given letter. Okay, so can you see which letter is given? It's letter G. So we are going to circle, we are going to find letter G and circle in this given image. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so can you all see this? Is it letter G? No. Is it letter G? Yes. So what are we supposed to do? We are going to circle letter G. Now what is the next letter? Is it letter B? It's letter B. So are we going to circle it? No. Is it letter G? 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 Yes. So we are going to circle it again. We just have to find and circle letter G. Is it letter G? No. Is it letter G? Yes. So let's circle it. Is it letter G? No. Is it letter G? No. Is it letter G? No. Is it letter G? Yes. So we are circling it. Yes. So what was the letter given here? It was letter G. We have circled all the given letter G. Now, can you all see what is the next letter given? It's capital letter Q. So let's find and circle capital letter Q. Is it capital letter Q? Yes. So we are going to circle it. Yes. Capital letter Q. Is it capital letter Q? No. Is it capital letter Q? Yes. So again we are going to circle it. Yes. Is it Q? No. Is it capital letter Q? Yes. So again we are going to circle it. Is it capital letter Q? No. Is it capital letter Q? No. Is it capital letter Q? No. Is it capital letter Q? Yes. So let's circle it. So we have circled all the Q's here. Yes. Now let's see which is the next letter given. Okay. Here which is the letter given? It's capital letter I. So let's find and circle capital letter I. Yes. Is it letter I? No. Is it letter I? No. Is it letter I? No. Is it letter I? Yes. So we are going to circle capital letter I. Is it capital letter I? No. Is it capital letter I? Yes. Circle it. Is it capital letter I? No. Is it capital letter I? Yes. We are circling it. Is it capital letter I? Yes. Is it capital letter I? No. Is it capital letter I? No. Is it capital letter I? No. Is it capital letter I? Yes. So again we are going to circle it. Is it capital letter I? No. Is it capital letter I? No. So we have circled all the I's here. Yes, capital letter I we have circled. Now let's see which is the next letter given. It's capital letter O. Yes. And in this image we will be finding and circling capital letter O. So here is it letter O? Yes. So let's circle it. Is it capital letter O? No. Is it letter O? No. Is it letter O? No. Is it letter O? Yes. So let's circle it. Is it letter O? No. Is it letter O? No. Is it letter O? Yes. So let's circle it again. Is it letter O? Yes. Circle it. Is it letter O? No. Is it letter O? Yes. Let's circle it. Is it letter O? No. Is this letter O? Letters O? No. So, it was a fun activity. I have really enjoyed finding and circling letters. Yes. Thank you everyone. See you all in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Hello children. Today we'll practice how to write numbers 11 to 20 in Math A book. Go to page number 59. On the top left side, write today's date. Say and write numbers from 11 to 20. Children, trace all these numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then continue again from here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Like this, complete till here. Then we'll go to second. Write the missing numbers. What comes after 12? 13. 1, 3, 13. What comes after 15? 16. 1, 6, 16. What comes after 17? 18. 1, 8, 18. What comes after 19? 20. 2, 0, 20. Now we'll do what comes before the number. Before 11, what comes? 10. 1, 0, 10. What comes before 13? 12. 1, 2, 12. What comes before 16? 15. 1, 5, 15. What comes before 20? 19. 1, 9, 19. Now we will do what comes in between the numbers. 12, 13, 14. So 13 comes in between. 1, 3, 13. 15, 17. What will come in between? 16. 1, 6, 16. 15, 16, 17. Now what comes here? 18, 20, 19. 1, 9, 19. 18, 19, 20. Thank you, children.
Children, here in this section, we are going to color the given images. Yes, what is the first image given? It's a grapes. So we are going to color grapes either green color or purple color. But here teacher is going to use green and color the grapes green in color. And what is the basic rule of coloring? Color the image neatly and the color should not come out of the image. Let's color the grapes green in color. Yes, do it slowly, neatly, and the color should not come out of the image. Slowly you have to color it in one proper direction. Yes, so we are coloring grapes green in color. Children, can you all see how teacher has colored grapes in green color? And see, within the image I have colored. Yes, so we have colored grapes green in color. You also color it neatly and the color should not come out of the image. Now let's see what is the next picture given. It's a brinjal. So let's color brinjal purple. Yes, on top. Let's color brinjal purple in color. Carefully you have to color and see that the color doesn't come out of this picture. We are coloring it purple. Yes, slowly you're going to color it. So we are coloring brinjal purple in color. Yes, can you all see? Yes. Is my color out? No, it's within the image. Yes, and on top you can color its head green in color. Yes, neatly, slowly you can color. Yes, so we have completed coloring brinjal. Now let's see what is the next image given. It's a carrot. Carrot is in which color? It's in orange color. So we'll be using orange color and coloring it. Slowly start coloring and see that the color doesn't come out of this image. So we have colored carrot orange and here we'll be using green color on top. Yes, for the leaf we'll be coloring it green. Slowly you have to color and see that the color doesn't come out of the image. Yes, so we have completed coloring. Okay, we have colored grapes, brinjal and carrot. Was it fun? Yes, children, did you all enjoy it? Thank you everyone.
So open your spiral book, open page number 75. Color the given vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Yes, this is tomato. Okay, now in the left side of the corner write down today's date and we'll start coloring tomato. Take red color and color it. Color it very carefully, okay? Don't cross the line. No scribbling.
and always use only one direction. Very careful. So, your tomato is ready. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.
Good morning, children. Welcome to Springfield School Masap Tank. Children, today's rhyme is on number counting. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Will you do it for me? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Thank you, children, for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this rhyme. See you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you again. Bye.